walking towards the place where the fireworks will happen. It's gonna be a long walk. So yeah, this may take a while. I don't think so. Yeah. Did you know that these trees will soon become giants? They may be tiny giants. They may be tiny right now, but trust me, that will soon change. Just give it like half a century and then, oh, they'll be really big. See those evergreens right there? Like right there, yeah? It's gonna become bigger than that. Oh. Very busy night tonight. It's Canada Day. Yeah, July 1st. Can't believe that July's here already. Sure flew by, didn't it? Do you know what trees I actually call these? I call them vector trees because they grow in kind of, like their leaves grow, yeah, the tree's leaves grow in kind of a V shape, which I really like. It's pretty interesting, isn't it? Hey, did you know that tree right there is the same as these ones? Yeah, these trees will become something like that. Oh my God. They're just not very big yet. In fact, from my room over there, I keep on looking at that tree that I'm pointing at the middle of the screen right now. Like, I'll show you. The one closest to the walk sign right here, I keep on looking at it. And then looking at that big monster over there. Big monster. Yeah. Oh! I was going the wrong way. This used to be the ice rink. They're tearing it up now. Oh. Coming soon of winter 2021. So that's 2022. What?
Look at that compared to the hockey rink. Look at the skating pad.
That's awful.
Oh my.
That's horrible.
That's so bad. That's so bad.
I told you, they took a space that was 5 or 6 hockey rinks wide.
And they're doing it, I think, I heard with other ones, take them away.
Yeah, they took 5 or 6 hockey rinks wide away. And gave it, it's tiny.
Oh my
You're
God.
gonna get 20, 10.
I can't believe it. Oh wow. I didn't realize how big this tree really was until now. Look at the thickness of that trunk. That tree must be pretty old. Like 60, like 80, 90 years old maybe. Oh my God, it's twice as tall as a house. It's gonna be a long walk to school. That's actually 2 different schools. I'm gonna catch you when we're a little closer to the place. Ah, nice big evergreens. Wonder what happened to these. Oh yeah, I got something special for the end of the school year, and it was a GoPro. If I can hook that up to my iPad. Oh my God, I forgot. Oh, okay. Well, look at that weeping willow. It's huge. There's another weeping willow right there. I love how they're things are like weeping. It's designed to do that, by the way. It's not because of a weight issue. It's not a weight issue. It's not any issue, actually. It's designed to do that. Yeah. I've always wondered something. I just need to get a little further ahead, and then I'll see it. See those big trees right there that kind of split up at the base? Yeah, like those? I wonder what kind of trees those are. Might be spruce. Don't know. They're probably something. The tree is so big.
Don't ask anyone.
Look at the base. Oh my God. I remember what? Pretty sure that was just a test. You probably remember on my how people at different ages walk downstairs. That made me realize just how I walked downstairs. It just showed me how weirdly I walked downstairs. Just so weird. And just up ahead, some person, not the firework people, but a different person was launching small fireworks that were going about like like that high in the air. So yeah, don't know what we should do. And oh my god, my family is so far behind with my dog Chubby. Whoa! Those people are shooting.
Right there in front of us.
Those people are launching fireworks. Not very loud fireworks. Whoa, that one made a loud pop. Whoa. That was awesome. This is where the fireworks went off here and it smells like smoke. Yeah. Those poplars look strange. Look at those poplars. They have almost no leaves on them. And they have like no branches, nothing. Why do they do that? It needs plenty of leaves. Well, yeah, it kind of looks like palm trees except much skinnier. The leaves aren't all straight out, like sticking straight out. And when will we get to the fireworks? Are the weirdest looking poplars I've ever seen in my entire life still. They might have trimmed them, but it looks like, whoa! It just went off. Look, they're launching 10 minutes early.
No, that's a 10-minute warning.
Oh, that was a 10-minute warning. It's a, oh yeah. Let's be really close so we can get really. I want it to sound really, really loud. So I'd like to hear it. But it requires more walking, so yeah. Charlie in action, just walking. Oh, she's such a wiggle butt and I love her. So cute. Might do another video of her. So, most of the videos of her are just photos of her laying down. Didn't know our main street looks so beautiful from out here, right?
See, if you had a GoPro, it wouldn't be jumpy like that.
I know.
Well, no, you don't know, because you would have brought it.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Oh, that's a big poplar right there. Why am I so focused on trees? Yeah. Be here. I know she's lazy, but I hope she didn't ditch us again. If she did, I'm going to rage. I hope Grandpa's here.
We'll do that.
She better be. Yeah, she better be. That's not church, by the way. Instruction? Yeah, I sure hope there is. Hi! Hi, Grandma!
We were going to walk towards
Hi,
us,
Grandma.
we weren't sure, but at least we found out what we were doing. We ended up parking. See the other crosswalk way up there?
Oh.
That's the one we took last time, right there. Fireworks.
Oh yeah, that's Bo.
This isn't going to work.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
Bo, this big Oompa Loompa, he has cancer. Yeah.
And then bless her heart, she walked
See this big Oompa Loompa? His name is Bo. He has cancer on his leg right there. Yeah, he has cancer on his leg, and they can't amputate it because his back leg right there can't really support him.
Oh, yeah.
So once his leg bursts, he's gonna have to be. Yeah. Hi, Jen.
Hi, Casey.
Yeah.
So we're going to walk.
Those cancer.
What is he doing?
Hi. My God, I'm so excited. It's only a few minutes until it starts. Guys, I think it's starting.
Come on.
Bo makes those sounds a lot, by the way. I can't wait for the fireworks to start. When will the fireworks start?
Maybe by the sign or something.
Yeah, but the sign. Yeah, that sign is probably where we're gonna stop.
Right over here by the sign.
Sure. Of course, it is gorgeous. Some under construction houses over there. And why is the camera so blurry? Did you know that the human eye sees about 60 frames a second? Okay, I'm gonna get back to it when it starts. Until it starts. All right, guys, 1 minute till it starts. Here we go.
Take a picture of you.
Sorry, my dad just took your photo.
Take the other picture. Look. Oh, hang on.
All right then.
That picture, eh? It's almost like it's really daylight.
Charlie hasn't.
Wow. Yeah, my dad has my dad has an iPhone 12, which he's lucky.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can watch.
Where's-
It's gonna go.
It's been about 20 seconds, so it should
It's
be,
11 o'clock.
should be starting now. We like 10.
Oh, it is 11 o'clock.
What the? About 10 seconds until it starts. Oh, I heard something. Do you hear that? I hear low pitched bangs.
No, I think other people are shutting off some fireworks too.
Degrees, but it's all grass.
Guys, we need to stop talking.
Just hang on.
We need to enjoy this.
It's not.
Ow. It's 11
Whoa.
o'clock. Whoa! Dude, those things are so bright. Whoa!
Are you recording it?
Yes! Yo!
They're really hot.
Yo! Oh my god!
Watch this one over there.
Oh my god!
Watch, Casey.
Any huge ones?
Yeah.
These aren't very big, to be honest.
Charlie.
I hope the dogs aren't scared. Whoa! Those things, yeah, those didn't go very high. Whoa! You guys, I wish you could see it as clear as I'm seeing it. Oh my god! That's crazy! It looks like it's going out of the roof of that house, doesn't it? Oh my god, it looks like it's going out of that roof. Whoa. Maybe. Whoa. Whoa, that was a loud one. Any more? Yo. Oh! Did you hear that echo? Listen to that echo. Listen to that. Listen to that echo for a sec. Listen to the echo. Listen to that echo. Oh my god. Dude, that's insane. Looks like it's coming out of the roof of that house.
It does. That's what Grandma said. It looks like it's coming out of the roof.
Oh my god! Yo! This is so going on YouTube. Oh my god.
Whoa, that one's going away. Oh. Oh.
Listen to that echo for a sec. Listen, Grandma. Listen to the echo when another one goes off. That sounds like an explosion.
That's the percussion.
Well,
That's it.
Fireworks is an explosion.
Oh.
Oh, nope, there's another one. Whoa!
Whoa.
Oh, my god, these things are hitting me like a shockwave.
Okay.
Look at those. Oh my.
They're both sitting there good.
Oh my god, the dogs are going insane.
Oh, they're sitting good, Casey.
Well, they kind of are going insane.
No, they're not. They're not going insane.
How are they not going insane from how loud this is? Oh, my ears.
Seriously.
Dude. Oh my god! I just focused! Oh my... Look at that! It just focused on the fireworks. And it looks crazy. Oh my god! So much sparks! I know, I'm trying to focus on the fireworks. Oh, whoa. Yeah, fireworks are basically exploding rockets, except miniature. Woo! Oh my god. It's like a hunter, yes. It's as loud as one. don't think I've heard something so loud in my entire life. It's almost as loud as thunder striking right next to me. Let's go on the path. Dude, the echo. It sounds like an explosion. Like an actual big explosion. Well, it kind of is. Sorry if my talking is ruining it. But I'm just going insane. Oh my God. Is that it? Oh, that was sick. Is that it? Maybe there was a problem. Oh, nope, that's not it. If you hear people going insane, those are actually quite light. Nice and calm. They're pretty colorful. Oh, those swirlers, they're insane. I love the ones that go, they're awesome. Same with the ones that make really big and loud explosions. Oh my God, the babies are going insane. Whoa, where did that come from? Oh my God. Oh! Ow. My ears just hurt. Yo. Is that it? I hope that's not it. I really hope. Oh, that's not it. Does the ground light up? It's so bright where I am right now. Actually, no, it's pretty dark. Oh my God, the babies are going crazy. Oh, I am also going crazy over this because it's awesome. This has got to be one of the best videos I've ever recorded in a long time. I love how those ones are like splitting up into smaller chunks. Whoa. Oh my ears. Yo. So neat. I'm still recording. It's been 8.5 minutes.
It's a long time.
Oh yeah, and I love the reverb. Listen to that echo, it's insane.
Good job. Do you think these would be there for him? Like, no, I don't believe it. And they said, because we're actually like moving to us. I'm like, lunch break, we're getting there. It's early. He said,
Oh my God.
Wow, look at all the smoke tracers.
Nice. Oh yeah.
Whoa, are you zoomed in?
Yes.
Okay, don't zoom in. You're going to lose a lot of clarity.
I know. There's a little puff of smoke. Woo! Wait, oh, there's more. Oh my God, my dad's also recording.
No. Dad's got to shut this off.
No, this isn't awful. This is amazing. Oh my God. Whoa. What was that? Oh my God. Wait, whoa. I'm just stop recording for a second. Okay, I'm back. Set 6 quick. Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh my
Look at
god.
those, eh? That's like Christmas lights.
It's like Christmas. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy.
I know.
Also, I showered like an hour ago, so yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, whoa!
Yeah, whoa, you can see it was going way up in the air. Don't watch it.
Yeah, and then just went
There it is.
boom.
Right there.
Yeah, I wish if
See
there
that?
was an accident right now, that would be so bad.
They used to be called screamers.
Oh yeah, because they're so. Yeah, probably because they're so loud.
No, they go boom and then go like a screamer.
How is that called a screamer?
Used to scream.
What?
Used to make like a screaming noise.
Like.
Yeah, kind of. Whoa, Charlie.
Whoa! Hope the dog's ears. The dogs aren't dead. Oh.
See, that was orange and green.
Orange and green?
There's other fireworks going on,
Oh
right?
my god! This is why I love the start of July.
Yeah.
Happens only once a year. Yet it's the
Actually, you
best.
know what happens in September when we have Beaumont days?
Oh yeah, September's in September there's Beaumont Day.
Yeah.
There's also fireworks there, I think.
Yep.
What other time of the year is there fireworks?
Sometimes at New Year's.
At New Year's there's also fireworks, I guess.
Sometimes.
2020, was there fireworks for New Year 2020?
No, there wasn't. Yeah, there was.
Was it epic? Much
Oh, yeah,
better?
it was totally epic.
Oh yeah, the start of 2020 seemed okay, I guess, with the fireworks, but we shouldn't have welcomed it because it ended up being
We
bad.
should have welcomed it.
Yeah. Yes, I'm still recording. It's been like 15 minutes.
Whoa.
Yeah.
He's missing it. Every once in a while I look at it, there's no fireworks.
Whoa. Now green ones.
Yo,
Those are greenies. Those are greenies.
Yeah. The greenies.
Greenies.
Greenies. Greenies. Greenies. Let's go. Peace here at the plant. I hope you're recording this. Oh my god.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
They go in different directions.
My ears are dead.
Watch. Whoa. Isn't that nice?
Whoa.
It looks like a palm tree.
It looks like a palm tree. Yes, it does.
It's just like a palm tree.
Except much bigger. Whoa!
Well, it was kind of like a sideways.
That was like a ring. That was a ring.
Oh.
Oh. Didn't even see that one coming. I love that. Sounds awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Think those are sparks, maybe?
That's why they have the fire truck there too,
Oh,
right?
oh yeah, supersized sparks.
That's it.
Woo!
Is that it?
I don't know. I don't know.
That's it.
I think that's it. Well, let's keep recording just in case. Oh my god, the wind is shaking.
14 minutes of
14?
light excitement.
Wait a second.
It's over. It's over.
Maybe there's a problem.
It's all over.
Oh my god.
It's all over.
Okay, guys. Wait. Can you see my hand okay? No? So, okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.